Ever feel like you're the most ambitious person but lack the energy to make things happen? You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow keeps slipping away. You want to accomplish something great, like start your own business, sign up for the gym, lose 20 pounds, learn a new skill. But instead, you find yourself scrolling on your TikTok or Instagram, or just simply binging your favorite TV show on Netflix. Why does this happen? It's not because you're lazy forever, it's because the goal feels too overwhelming. You see, when something seems too hard, your brain looks for an easier route, which sometimes leads to procrastination. But here's the good news. Laziness isn't your identity, it's just a habit. And habits can change with simple actions. Think about all the times you felt stuck because the task seemed impossible. You want to save money, for example, but cutting back on everything feels too extreme. You want to get healthier, but the thought of working out every day sounds exhausting. It's not that you don't care, it's that your brain naturally avoids discomfort. But you can work around this. Here's how to beat laziness and start making real progress toward what matters to you. Step 1. Shrink the task. Big goals feel, well, intimidating, so make them smaller. Want to start a business? Don't struggle by asking yourself, where will the money come from? Start by simply finding your niche, the basic stuff first. Small steps feel manageable and create momentum. Imagine you're running a 5K marathon. You don't just snap your fingers and you're in first place. You literally have to pace yourself. You take one step at a time. The same applies to your goals. Small victories build confidence and keep you moving forward. For example, if you want to learn how to bake your favorite cake, don't try to master the whole process on your first attempt. Just learn the basic ingredients and how to combine them properly. Over time, applying what you've learned, you'll get better. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Step 2, set up easy routines. Don't depend on motivation, it's unreliable. Instead, create routines. Willpower fades, but habits make things automatic. If you want to exercise, lay out your workout clothes the night before. That way, when you wake up, it's easier to start. Think of routines like training wheels. They help you stay on track until the habit becomes second nature. What's one simple routine you can add to your day? Maybe it's writing a to-do list each morning or drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up. These small habits create structure and make progress effortless. Step 3. The 2-minute rule. Starting is the hardest part, so make it easy. Commit to just 2 minutes. Want to read more? Read 1 page. Need to clean? Start with one corner of the room. Once you begin, it's much easier to keep going. Think of a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but momentum builds as it moves. Here's a bonus tip. Reward yourself for starting. After your 2 minutes, treat yourself in a small way. Listen to your favorite song or take a short break. Rewards make starting feel good and train your brain to do it again. Here's the truth, everyone starts small. The successful people you admire, they struggled too, but they kept going. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to start. Picture your dreams as a tiny spark. Every small action you take is like adding fuel. Keep going and soon you'll have a roaring fire. So, what will you do today to fuel that fire? Remember, failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the process. Be kind to yourself and keep pushing forward. Let's keep it simple. If you're ambitious but feel stuck, here's what to do. Break big tasks into tiny, manageable steps. Build easy routines to remove friction. Start with just 2 minutes of effort. That's it. Don't wait for the perfect moment, just start. Pick one thing and take a small step today. Your dreams are waiting for you. Financial twist. These small shifts don't just apply to personal goals. They can transform your finances too. Want to save more? Start tiny. Save just $1 a day. Over time, those small amounts grow. Want to invest? Learn one financial concept at a time. Small, consistent steps lead to big financial wins. Cut out one unnecessary expense this week and put that money towards something that will grow. Small changes in daily habits can build a financial future brighter than you imagined. Start today, and watch how those tiny sparks turn into lasting wealth.